going to suffer persecution. We're going to go through some things. But into us together, hallelujah, we can put that devil to flight. Come on, come on, come on. So together, hallelujah, she might be hurting. She might be broken. She might be bended, hallelujah. But I can come and tell her, say, God loves you, hallelujah. You can make it, hallelujah. You can go through, hallelujah. No weapon formed against you shall prosper, hallelujah. And by his stripes you're healed, you're delivered, you're set free, hallelujah. You can walk in the boldness and the confidence of Jesus Christ, who has come. The Redeemer has set you free, hallelujah. Go forth, hallelujah. Not only am I going to tell her to go forth, but I'm going to walk with her. Hallelujah. I'm going to walk with her, hallelujah. With your heart, I promise you will be.
That God has put in us, and then we can perform the jobs that he has designed for us to do. So if we are to be equipped with prayer, we need to know what, why, and how to access our powers. So let's look at the chord. What is prayer? Prayer is the opportunity to bring our lives into alignment with God's plan and to demonstrate our trust in him.
Me that the basis of empowerment is trust. The basis of empowerment is trust. You can't have empowerment without first having trust. If you don't trust a person, then you tend to control them and not empower them. So the first thing we should ask ourselves is, can God trust me with his power?
Oh, hallelujah. Because he's just that good. I'm a living witness. I can testify to his goodness. I can testify to his goodness. And I hope each one of you know what I'm talking about today. I hope that he has brought you through some things that you can understand where his sister is coming from. That you can understand. It don't take all that. It takes that and more. Hallelujah. My sinful self redeemed and still praying and asking every minute, God, forgive me. But don't put it in me. Don't put it in them. They got power, but it comes from the Lord. And it's the word that he gives them, because you know he'll use anything. He'll use anything. Some of y'all feeling unworthy, he'll use you. Some of you think I don't have my word straight. Moses stuttered, he'll use you. Come on, Peter, you're cussing, killing, he'll use you. He'll use you from the greatest to the least known. That is his